In this video, I'll show you how you can create collections on Steam. Now currently there's two different types of collections and I'll show you how to create both. The first one is you're gonna hover the library and click on collections. Now once you're in here, you have the option to create a new collection. So click on this one, give it a name, I'll just call it example, and then create collection. Now from in here, you can drag all the games that you want, as you can see here. And now you have your collection right here. You can select whatever game you want and just drag it in here. Now, if you want, you can right click on them and you can remove it, or you can manage it, make it private and that stuff. Now the second type of collection, I'll show you right now. If we go find a game, let's just choose the CS2 and you go to the workshop right here. Then you'll come to the workshop and you're gonna find a file that you wanna add to a collection. Let's say I wanna add this map right here. I'm gonna click on it. And from in here, you have the option down here to add to collection. Now when you press it, it will say you don't have one, so you can create one right here. From in here, you're going to give it a title, I'll call it example. You can choose a picture for it and you can describe how you want. Now here you can select what kind of collection it is. There's three different options. There's the items that are a set, items that work together, or items that users should choose between. From in here, you can select the category. You just choose anything right here and then just press save and continue. After this is done, you will now create another collection, and that's basically how you can do it on Steam, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.